Hi, my name is Audrey Warner, and this is the walkthrough of my portfolio so far. My first piece is this State Fair poster I did in the layout design class. We were given some content, some pictures, and some copy, and had to fit it all into one poster for the State Fair of Texas. And I really like the image that I chose as the background. I think it really gives a fun vibe to the poster. And the shape I created kind of follows along with the ride and kind of drags your eye through the poster. So I feel like it was kind of a hard thing to try to fit all this onto one poster, and I'm not quite happy with the size of the font, but I think it works for what it is. But I might mess with it a little bit. My second piece is this website I designed for a UX design class. So I learned a lot about creating user personas, wireframes, really researching the target audience. And then, I created all of this basically. And I'm really happy with my logo. It's a goat milk soap and like lotions and company. So I used a goat eye and a flower. And then, I really like that. I put the logo on all the products, and I even have the shop page with all the products, different products with the logos on it, so I might include that. This makes me happy to look at, so I'm definitely keeping my portfolio, but I would like to actually code it and create the full website. So my next project is this interactive media timeline they created in interactive design. I wanted to create illustrations of all of the different aspects of the timeline. And I'm really happy with how they all turned out. There was a lot of them, so it's kind of interesting trying to fit them all onto one timeline without it being really long. So I created this line shape that kind of pulls you through the timeline and ends on this bigger image, looking towards the future. So I think that's kind of I'm happy with the layout and the colors. See if we can get out. My next piece is an image I took for a photography class, and I think it turned out really nicely. So I wanted to showcase it, but I didn't want to just put a photo in, so I created this logo design and the layout. And I think kind of looks nice with the bronze and the colors. So I think it's a good showcase of my photography skills and my layout design skills. And then my next piece is this downtown poster. This was for the topography class, and we were given a word and had to create a kind of advertisement for the Discovery Channel. I really like the vibe of this poster, and the color choices I think work really well, and the photography really gives you kind of the feel of a downtown experience and like what the show would actually be about. Again, I like kind of the shapes leading you through the poster, and I'm happy with my choice to use just the outline of the font, so you can see the whole picture but still know what it's about. I'm a little bit annoyed at how close this in is to the end of the shape, so I might try to change that up. But yeah, I think it's a good piece to conclude in my portfolio. And then my last one is this project it was another layout design for Hyperlight electric car company. And we were given a design brief and the images and the font. So it's more about how I laid it out and created kind of this galaxy effect that I brought over the car a little bit, almost like it's driving through space, which I think is kind of cool. Kind of a futuristic car. So yeah, this was for a billboard, which I think it kind of was supposed to be simple and something that you see really quick and are intrigued by, so I think I accomplished that. And then I also included this newspaper ad to see kind of what it looks like in black and white, and I think it works still. And I really like kind of how I laid out the type and copy. So yeah, I think that I learned a lot about how to lay out assets and kind of follow a brand guideline, and yeah, so I'm really happy with that. And yep, that's what I have so far for my portfolio, but I'm probably going to make a few changes and add some things. So thank you. Any feedback would be great.